High on a grassy mound overlooking the River Spey, the ruins of Ruthven Barracks stand silent, but they were not always so. Once, these walls held soldiers, gunpowder, fear, and rebellion. This is the story of one of Scotland's most striking military outposts, and the last stronghold to fall in the Jacobite Uprising of 1745. Ruthven Barracks was built between 1719 and 1721 by the British government, part of a network of fortified garrisons constructed after the 1715 Jacobite Rising. Its purpose was simple: to project Hanoverian authority deep into the Highlands and keep a watchful eye on a region known for rebellion. The site itself had long been strategic. A medieval castle once stood on this same mound, guarding important routes through Badenoch. But the new barracks, built of stone and lime, were designed for a new kind of conflict, one between government troops and the Jacobite cause. Life here could be harsh. Soldiers dealt with cold winters, isolation, and tension with local clans. But Ruthven's position allowed the garrison to monitor the route between Inverness and Perth, making it a key node in the government's military strategy. Ruthven Barracks was modest but practical. 2 3-story accommodation blocks housed up to 120 infantry, with storage for muskets, powder and provisions. The surrounding courtyard gave troops space to drill, while a stable block, added later, provided room for dragoons. In August 1745, during Bonnie Prince Charlie's uprising, the barracks came under attack. A small Jacobite force attempted to seize Ruthven, but the government soldiers held firm. The attackers lacked artillery, and the barracks' thick walls kept the defenders safe. A second attack came in February 1746, this time with cannons. After a brief bombardment, the garrison surrendered and Ruthven passed into Jacobite hands. Soon after their victory, the Jacobites gathered here in their thousands. Today, Ruthven Barracks stands as a haunting and beautiful reminder of the Jacobite era. Its walls, though roofless and scarred by fire, still command the valley below. Visitors can wander the courtyard where soldiers once drilled. More than just a ruin, Ruthven is a monument to resilience, rebellion, and the lives caught between them. In the heart of the Highlands, Ruthven Barracks endures, a silent witness to a nation divided and a symbol of Scotland's dramatic and complex past.